Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome to the family. I am so excited because, as you guys can tell from the title of this video, I say this every time for one of these videos. It is my favorite start to every season. It is FabFitFun time. This is their summer 2022 FabFitFun box, and I am so excited. You guys have seen me do these videos for years now. I absolutely love these FabFitFun subscription boxes. I could not even imagine having another subscription box. I tell everybody, I'm like, quit the subscription box you're doing right now and go get FabFitFun because they have such an incredible mix of everything from beauty to style to all of it. And I'm incredibly excited to show you guys this box. I have opened it because there were some difficulties with opening it. So I have had a little peeky, but I'm so excited. My favorite part of every box is the outside of it, because the design that goes into these boxes is incredible. I love the attention to detail and how they correlate with each month. And they're just so beautiful and they fit the seasons so perfectly. But I'm excited to show you guys. Are you guys ready? I'm ready. It's right here. Okay, so this box is wide open, but I'm gonna show you the outside. Holy ice cream, make me happy. I love this. It is purple, it is colorful, and it is covered with the thing that I love most in this world, ice cream. But I'm so excited, and this box, of course, is gorgeous on the inside. It's got the sprinkles to go along with the ice cream, and this makes me summer happy. This makes me ready to take on the summer, truly. Okay, so on the top of every box are some things that I love that they include all of these things because it just separates them from every other subscription box. So at the top, we have, of course, their magazine that goes into all of the products, including add-ons, what your customizations could have been. My favorite thing is this Women Making Wave. It is 17 incredible female CEOs that are, you know, their products have been featured in here or they've done incredible work with FabFitFun. And then, of course, their charity or foundation that they've been working with or want to call it a special highlight. What's really cool is they have CARE featured here. And so this is how CARE is helping women and families in Ukraine. But I am incredibly excited that they have been working with them. Of course, then it goes into just a bunch of other different things. Daily Harvest, we get a coupon code. Bright Cellar Wines, we get a little scratch off. They always make it exciting for us to figure out what we get from them. We do have pass it along a code from FabFitFun to give out to friends. We do have some fun stickers, some summer stickers. I love that they started including these, I think, beginning of last year, and it's just been such a fun little welcome addition just to put on some things and really get into the festivities of the season. And then, of course, we get a liquid IV. I absolutely love liquid IVs, especially as I sweat a ton. I work out almost every single day. I'm a runner. This is incredibly helpful to kind of put those electrolytes back into your system, and it's quite tasty. So this one is guava. Hydrates faster than water alone. So they include these nice little things, so it's really, really cool to have them here. Before we do get into the fabulousness of everything that I customize my box with, I do want to say I did do an add-on, and I donated $14 to provide a hygiene kit for an adolescent girl. There are different prices you can go in and donate to that correlate with different things that you can donate. It just so happened that working with the charity or foundation that goes along with the seasons box, that was one of the options. So I went ahead and did the $14 and did a hygiene kit, and I'm really, really excited. I love getting to donate every single month just because I think it is whatever cause or foundation or charity is with each month. Is there for a particular reason, and so I am incredibly excited to be able to donate and do whatever I can to help in any way I possibly can. You guys ready to get into this? I'm excited. Okay, so the first thing in here is this incredibly beautiful bag. It's in the color peony, and that's how they describe it. And it is the Samara Shoulder Bag. And I'm going to tell you guys the prices for all this, and I'm going to tell you the total at the very end. So this one is $125, and it's just a very nice and simple, beautiful bag. But it does fasten right up top here so you can close it. But it's just a beautiful little shoulder bag. You can cross it, you can wear it long, you can adjust the strap so it is shorter if you want to, but it's just a nice little beautiful bag. It says Samara down here in gold. It's very simplistic, and I mean truly this color is giving me life. I love this peony color, and it translates beautifully from the leather onto the inside of the bag as well. So love this bag, $125. Very excited to use it this summer. The next thing in this box is very appropriate for me. And you guys will be like, Danielle, what could you possibly want with one of these? Well, we're living in a world right now where a shutdown can't happen at any time. So you guys, the next item in my box is a New Balance ab wheel. And this is $29.99. I'm very excited about this. If you do not know what an ab wheel is, I'm not going to demonstrate because I'm wearing a dress right now. But physically, you're just rolling it out. You can be on your toes and like in push-up position, or I like to do it on my knees because I just feel it more there. The on your toes, good luck to you. The next item in this fabulousness is a Hava. This is not my first time getting a Hava products, but this is the Essential Day Moisturizer for combination skin. What I love about a Hava is it's very light, it's not thick, but if you've ever smelled a Hava, it is like summertime in a bottle for skincare products. I mean, delicious, absolutely delicious. It's a blend of minerals sourced from the wondrous Dead Sea waters. But I'm so excited to use this, and this is $69. It comes out super smooth. Like I said, it is not very thick at all. It is very, I put a little bit on my face when I got it out because I was so excited. And it's not thick. It's very, very thin. I barely feel like I have anything on my face as it is. So I love it's so good. And like I said, it smells like summertime in a bottle. I'm very excited about this one because as a new homeowner, you heard it, we'll talk about it later, I am excited for all the organizational stuff I can possibly get. So this is the brand Material, and these are stacking canisters. It's a set of 2 with lids, and I'm gonna take these out so you can see them. But I'm excited because I can use these in the kitchen for some things. I can use them in my bathroom for some things, but look at them. I love them, and I love the bamboo lids. That looks weird, but it's so good, and they're just really small. They're nice size canisters, but you know what I mean? Like, what can I use them for in the kitchen? I know in my bathroom you can do like Q-tips, makeup pads and stuff like that, but in the kitchen you can do like spices or you know, baking things that I use. I'm really thinking it's a really great spice thing, but you know what I mean? Like, it's just really nice canisters to have, and I'm so excited to be able to have these. But the brand is Material. I'm so excited because they will be one of the first things that's unpacked in our new house, and I can't wait to just use them and organize stuff with them. Okay, one of the last items in my box. I am a sucker for candles. I'm not one of the ones that goes to Target and buys candles all the time, but when I have a candle, I love to burn the candles. So, this is Lasting Smiles. It's a sea salt and citrus. It's aromatherapy. The really cool thing about this is it's a soy candle. But what I really love about the brand, it has, along the boxing, it has so many incredible, just little, it's nothing major, but it's like, it has the fragrance notes. So it's grapefruit, sea salt, green, ozonic, accord, gardenia, jasmine, rose, coconut, sandalwood, driftwood, vanilla, like some of the things you'll be able to smell. It's a cause candle, so it tells you to learn more about the diverse causes we support on their website. And then it's a soy blend candle, so poured with all natural soy blend wax for an eco-friendly clean burn, features a cotton wick and fine perfume oils infused with essential oils. So I love this, and I loved the smell. That was really what got my attention. These are some of my favorite smells, and you can really smell the sea salt, you can really smell the rose, you can smell the sandalwood, and then you get the vanilla towards the end. So incredibly excited. It's a beautiful candle. There's the cotton wax right there. But I'm a sucker. It'll be smelling so good. Let me explain something, because people who know me know I have 50 million speakers. I love speakers because somewhere along the way, somebody will forget a speaker, somebody will lose a speaker. A speaker is one of the most important things when you're at the pool, when you're at the beach, when you're on any type of trip where you can bring a speaker is the most important thing. So this is the Sonics Bluetooth speaker. And inside, of course, then we do have the charging cable, and we have a little wrist strap for it as well. Let's see if I can get it out of this box. But I love this because, first of all, tell me how beautiful this color is, and the details up top too. It just goes so perfectly. But it does have the charging cable right here to plug right in the back. And then it does have a little wrist strap that we can attach right up here at the top to carry around with us. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. This speaker, the Sonic speaker, is $45. What was really cool when I saw my box reveal was that I saw I had a bonus surprise item for $15. So when I opened this, I saw this. This is KO. It's a body scrubber. I was not expecting this at all. And for me, I love a good body scrubber. So this is what it looks like, and it just has all of these little things on it. And for me, I have sensitive skin, so a body scrubber is like massive to get it just like into my skin to really get things taken care of. But I love the coloring. It is so light, and I just love that this is a nice little surprise thing that they put in our boxes for us. Thank you, FabFitFun. But like I said, this is $15 that they sent us. Now, all of this incredibleness right here that I just spewed out to you guys, I told you all the prices. The grand total for this box is $363.99. I pay a grand total of like $190 annually to be an annual member. To get a box that's about $50 for each season to equal $363. It is unbeaten. I tell you guys, it is. You cannot get a better subscription box than this one. You will not find one anywhere. I can promise you that. But all of these products will be linked down below, as well as FabFitFun's information, so you guys can go join and get your own box. I love these boxes. I gift them to people during the holiday seasons and everything like that, but I think they are such a great kickoff to every single season. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, join this awesome family, and I will see you guys back here next time. Bye, y'all.